Introduction to the BMS battery management system. In this part we are using Arduino Uno, and one is a current sensor, another is a voltage sensor. We can see this is a voltage sensor which is measures the battery voltage, and I am also using two relays and two push buttons, 16:2 LCD display, buzzer and step down transformer, rectifier, and also we are using one DC motor and transistor board and temperature sensor, and also using a CPU fan. So the main purpose of this part is it will be continually monitor the battery voltage. If it is less voltage, then it will be give a buzzer alert. And also we can charge these batteries using these two push buttons. One is a normal push button, another is a fast charging push button. So this one is a normal charge push button and this is a fast charge push button. So we can charge batteries using these two push buttons based on our normal or fast charging. And if the charging is full, then automatically this relay will be get switched off. So we are giving the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts power supply that will be given to the step down transformer. Step down transformer will step down up to 12 volts AC. That AC 12 volts will be given to this rectifier. Rectifier generally converts AC to DC. Here also same, it is converting 12 volts AC to 12 volts DC. That 12 volts DC will be given to this battery pack through relays. So the battery voltage is low, then we will press a switch, then automatically this relay will be get switched on, then the 12 volts will be supplied continuously to this battery. And also we are taking the 5 volts power supply from this bridge rectifier. So here we can say this is a 7805 voltage regulator which takes the 12 volts input DC and it will give the 5 volts DC. That 5 volts DC will be given to this Arduino Uno board. Using that Arduino Uno board, we are equally dividing a 5 volts power supply to the LCD display and relays, push buttons, buzzer and the temperature sensor. And one thing, this CPU fan also works on the 12 volts of power supply that will be provided from this battery. So whenever the temperature is high, then automatically this fan will be rotated start. Now I am giving the power supply right now. In the LCD we can see it is showing the welcome to the part, and also we can see this is the voltage of the battery. If you want to measure the current, so just switch on this switch of this motor will be run and we can see the current. So this is the current and this is the temperature shown in the degree centigrade. If you stop, then automatically it will be show the 0. And also we can see the battery value. Now we are just disconnecting the power supply to this voltage sensor. Voltage sensor generally measures the voltage of this battery. Now but the battery pack is full, so now I am just disconnecting this supply using this switch. So if I do like that, this voltage sensor will be measured the battery value as a 0. So we can see, so it is showing that low battery voltage. So if I want to charge this one, just press this and normal charging is showing. So this relay will be get switched on by normal charging. If the battery is full, then we can see automatically relay gets switched off. Again I will do for the fast charge. Now the battery becomes 0. If I press B, then fast charging will become, and also we can see here two relays get switched on, means it will be charged fast. Now switch on this one. So the main purpose of this switch is to make a voltage sensor voltage to be 0 and high. And I will show you temperature. If the temperature is high, then automatically this fan will get switched on. So if it is more than 45 degree, then it will be fan will be rotated. So we can see fan is rotating here. So after that one, it will be stopped. So in this way, this part will be works. Thanks for the watching.